If you're seeking a versatile, efficient, all-in-one printer for your home or small office, the HP OfficeJet 8015e offers a compelling blend of features and convenience, including a 6-month instant ink trial and HP Plus Smart Services, designed to streamline your everyday printing tasks. Activate HP Plus during setup to enjoy 6 months of free instant ink delivery. HP automatically sends cartridges before you run out, helping you save up to 50% on ink costs. After the trial, you can continue with a paid subscription or cancel at any time. HP Plus requires an HP account, internet connectivity, and the exclusive use of HP original cartridges. This printer delivers full all-in-one functionality, including printing, scanning, and copying. It supports automatic two-sided duplex printing and features a 35-sheet auto document feeder, ADF, for faster multi-page scanning and copying. Expect efficient performance with ISO print speeds of up to 18 ppm for black and 10 ppm for color, plus first page out times as fast as 13 seconds black or 17 seconds color. Print resolution reaches 4800 x 1200 optimized DPI for color and 1200 x 1200 DPI for black. Enjoy flexible connectivity via dual-band Wi-Fi with self-healing capabilities, USB, Wi-Fi Direct, and support for mobile printing via the HP Smart App and Apple AirPrint. HP Plus also brings enhanced security features, automatic updates, and remote printing access. The 8015e is equipped with a color touchscreen, 2.2 inches, for intuitive tap and swipe control. It supports customizable shortcuts, enabling functions like scanning directly to email or the cloud with a single tap. Built-in security includes encryption, password protection, Wi-Fi security, and document protection. Activating HP Plus unlocks cloud-based enhancements that further bolster device and data protection. The printer enforces dynamic security, which means it accepts only HP-authorized cartridges. Non-HP compatible cartridges are blocked, and firmware updates help maintain this protection. This model is especially well-suited for home users and small offices who appreciate ink convenience, wireless access, touchscreen usability, and automatic duplexing, all wrapped into a budget-friendly package. In summary, the HP OfficeJet 8015e stands out with its automated ink delivery, modern smart features via HP Plus, fast printing, and robust wireless options. While users must remain committed to HP Ink, thanks to the security restrictions, the convenience and cost savings make it an excellent choice for hassle-free everyday printing.